My name is Meinir Howells and I farm here in Pentracwrt near Cysylltu in Carmarthenshire with my husband Gary and the two young children, David and Sioned. I also present on the Welsh Farming Programme and it's a great balance in life, the media and the farm. It's a fantastic way of life. There's always something new happening every day. But one thing my mother and father always taught me from a very young age was the importance of kindness. And you should always treat others as you would like to be treated yourself, and that has stayed with me throughout my life. For me and Gary starting farming here together, it's quite a lonely way of life, but we've had tremendous neighbours, friends and family who've showed us a lot of kindness. And it always brings a smile to the face. It can make your day and it can certainly make a difference. And especially now, with everything that's going on, kindness can help a lot of people. It is really, really important. And a perfect place to start is the Connect and Kindness project.